Alright you guys, for today's eyeshadow tutorial look, I'm going to be using the Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. These are amazing eyeshadow palettes, especially for the price and as much product as you're getting. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to be using these two Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. I wanted to do a tutorial using eyeshadow palettes that pretty much everyone can afford. So this palette here retails for $16 and this palette here retails for $20, but they are always having sales, like all the time. If you've never bought anything off of here, as soon as you go onto the website, you can get a coupon for $5 off if you just type in your email. And I promise you guys, every day there's a sale on that site. The quality of these eyeshadows for the price point is amazing, amazing. I love them. And they even have cheaper ones. They have palettes as low as $16 with 12 different colors in them. So go check them out if you haven't already. I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't think that it was good. So go check them out. Alright, so first I'm going to be going into this one. And this palette here is called I Think I Love You. And it looks like this inside. Beautiful colors. So first I'm going to be picking up a Morphe R38 brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to be dipping into this color here, which is called My Treat. And I'm just going to use that as a transition shade. So I'm basically going to apply that all over. You can't really tell that it's a color, but it's just going to lay out a clean slate for us when we go in with other colors. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with this color here, which is called Fancy Face. And I'm going to use the same brush, using this motion here because I'm going to smoke it out a little bit. And I'm just going back and forth, of course always using a light hand. Okay, next I'm going to be going in with this color here, which is called Screw It. Okay, same brush, and I'm mostly just going to keep this color in the corner and then drag it up. I'm not taking this color into my lid area because I want to put a shimmer color there. I'm going to try to keep it as clear as possible. So I'm just going from the outer corner up. Okay, now I'm going to pick up this flat brush here. It's from e.l.f. It's an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to spray it with my rose water. I'm going to go into this Golden State of Mind, and look at this one. It's so pretty. All shimmers. Love it. So if you're a shimmer girl, this is the palette for you. Oh, it's so hard trying to decide what color to use. I'm going to go in with this color here. It's called Zero Clue. It's like a blue iridescent color, but let's see if it applies that same color. Ah, so pretty. So I'm just going to keep that strictly on my lid and drag it out. Now I'm going to pick up this color here, which is called Rowdy, and I'm just going to place a little bit of that over this color here. Just for a little bit more of a pop. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with my R38 brush into that same color Screw It and darken up the outer corner here. And just go right above where I placed the shimmer color just to kind of blend it in. Alright, now I'm going to pick up this flat brush here. This is a Morphe brush from their holiday collection. And I'm going to be going in with the Rowdy color and smoking out my under eye. I'm going to put the Rowdy color on the outer edge of my eye with a little bit of Rule Breaker, which is the black at the bottom. Putting Fancy Face in the corner. I'm going to pick up the Morphe E24 brush and go into the Rowdy color here and put that on the inner corner of my eye for just a little bit of highlight and on the brow bone. Alright, now I'm going to go do the other eye off camera and put lashes on, and I'll be right back. To finish off this look, I'm going to be outlining my lips with the Morphe Bite Me lip liner. It's kind of like a darkish brown. And then I'm going to be applying the Kylie Jenner matte lipstick in the color Naked. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's eyeshadow tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and yeah, let me know what else you want to see on here. And I love you guys. Bye!